Hey adventurers, today let's talk about tariffs. Think of tariffs like tolls on a highway. When goods from another country try to drive into our market, a little extra fee, the tariff, is charged at the border. Imagine you're buying a cool gadget from overseas. That gadget is like our car. When it reaches the border, it has to pay a toll. This extra fee makes the gadget a bit more expensive for you. Governments use these toll fees to collect money, protect local businesses, and sometimes to send a message to other countries. But one thing to remember, even though it sounds simple, these extra fees can sometimes make everyday items cost more for all of us. That's tariffs in a nutshell, extra fees on imported goods, just like tolls on a road. Keep adventuring and learning, and I'll see you in the next episode.